Let's consider using the stand clamp DL-ST.02 for disassembly and assembly of unit injectors and injection units. The delivery kit includes the clamp set DL-ST.01 and accessories. Additional equipment includes adapters for mounting of light vehicle unit injectors Audi VW 1.9 and 2.0, as well as adapters for injection units with a set of auxiliary components. Prepare the stand for mounting of the unit injectors. Dismantle the unnecessary holders and brackets. Dismantle the upper vise. Install a heavy vehicle unit injector and secure it. After this, the unit injector can be disassembled. Loosen the nozzle nut using the dedicated key and turn the stand 180 degrees to work from the electromagnet side. A special key must be used for unscrewing the electromagnet. After electromagnet and plunger dismantling, the unit injector body remains. After securing of the body, various operations can be carried out. For example, restoring of the valve seat and replacement of the valve, as well as measuring of the installation clearances. For working with light vehicle unit injectors, additional holders and adapters included in the delivery kit must be installed. Turn the stand 180 degrees and mount the adapter for unit injector Audi VW 2.0. Unscrew the vise to the maximum extent. After this, take care of securing. Next, install the injector and use dedicated keys for unscrewing the nozzle nut and the body. Before this, the nozzle must be secured using the stop screw to avoid damaging the pins. Let's consider assembly of the unit injector Audi VW 1.9. In particular, installation of the spring. Choose the adapter necessary for this. Fix it to the main vise by 2 bolts. Install the injector body into the adapter. Turn the rotatable part of the stand to 180 degrees. Secure it in position. Install the plunger and spring. Use the necessary adapter with clamping screw to apply pressure on the spring. In this case, a regular screwdriver can be used for holding the spring down. By smoothly pressing down the springs and the plunger, make sure all elements end up in their places. Repeat this procedure in several stages. Spring reinstallation using this adapter is very convenient. Let's consider injection unit installation. For this, dismantle all stand elements and install the holder with the injection unit into the clamp console. The holder with injection unit can be mounted for valve reconditioning or for tappet, spring and plunger dismantling and installation. For tappet and spring dismantling, a special bracket with stop screw installed must be used. Assemble it by installation onto adapter axis and positioning at a distance convenient for working. Use the tappet as well. Clamp down the spring by screw with tappet and provide access for dismantling of the tappet stopper limiter. After stopper dismantling, the spring and tappet are completely free and the repair work can be continued. The stand DL-ST.02 is very convenient for carrying out various kinds of work on unit injectors and injection units. The quality and accuracy of the stand allows saving the valuable time of qualified technicians.